And staying in the St. Catherine North Police Division, because the police have listed several persons of interest following 3 separate murders in the Marchpen Road community in Spanish Town. SSP Hopton Nicholson says the men who were urged to turn themselves into the police over the last few days have not done so.
Troy Clark, also known as Roach, he's from Marchpen as well as Fraser's Content. Theophilus Campbell, also known as Danga Reds, he's from Marchpen as well as Corlett's Road. A man known only as Crux or Rubber, he's from Marchpen as well as Damhead. A man known as Breda from the Damhead and the Marchpen area. A man known as Breeze from the Marchpen area. A man known as Kino from Marchpen Road. Jaden Davis, also known as Jay or Twin, from the Marchpen Road area as well as the corporate area, which is in the Maxfield space. A man known as Tyreek Heron, who's also known as Jay or Brown Man from Carles Road, as well as Banbury Lindsay. We're asking these persons to turn in themselves.
Marchpen has been under a series of curfews since November 28. The latest curfew was imposed on September 10 and expires today, December 12.
Curfew, and will be under curfew for as long as needs be, because we believe that persons are trying to use a free movement to go around and pursue their enemies.